Welcome to the Wild Flor private dining room. Wild Flor's been open just under a year. We've had a very successful opening 12 months, listed in the Michelin Guide and the Good Food Guide, and now we're pleased to announce that our private dining room here is open and ready for business. It can seat 8 minimum, 20 maximum, perfect for a Sunday lunch with family and a nice space for the kids to run around, to more civilised evening dinner parties or special occasions. We're really pleased that we recently won quite a sought after Best Wine List in Brighton award. It's one of our unique points here. Rob puts together an incredible wine list from over a dozen wine suppliers. So our Veal Sweetbread dish has been on the menu since day one and has already got legions of supporters and fans. It won't be going far from our menu anytime soon. It's had a couple of different garnish changes seasonally, but the essence very much is that a star of the show is a nice chunky piece of veal sweetbread with a puree and a sherry cream sauce. If you've got an event coming up, 8 to 20 people in our private dining room, we're at 42 Church Road, Hove. Send us an email, get in touch, and we'll put together a really nice evening for you.